What is up, everybody? I hope you're doing good. I just wanted to show you what I had to do down here. Put a big high power 20-inch fan. Got myself a big jar of pennies there. You never know when you need some pennies. I got the big fan there, exhausting air out of here. RX 580 rig, 3090s and a 3080. 6700 XTs and a hodgepodge of random stuff. I got a 3080, a couple of 580s, 5700 XT, a couple of 23070s. So there we go. That's all set up. Got the nice fan there. This room stays nice and cool now. One box fan pointing at those, and then another one of these high-powered ones pointing at the bottom two rigs. I'd like to get another one pointing at the top, but keeps them nice and cool. I haven't redone any of the thermals on any of these 3080s or 3090s, so far so good. Probably have to do that eventually, but for now the air moving is pretty good.